Hey, what's happening, guys? It's ML here with Jarlamin Tech. As usual, I came across another glitch and I wanted to share with you guys how I came about with the solution. And hopefully, if there's people out there that are having similar problems, this will help you out. All right, so some of y'all who use the call forwarding feature, in other words, if you get calls on your iPhone, and let's say you're working on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or iPad, but your phone is plugged in, the calls will be forwarded to your other Apple device. So it's really convenient. So like, when you're working, you don't want to really pause the work and, pick the call from the other device. You can easily receive a call on your MacBook Pro in this case. Without having to pause your work to do it on the other side. So, but something happened and it's just stopped working for some reason, and I don't know why. I tried to turn it back on, I came in here to the settings. Normally, this is how you would turn it on. You come to settings, phone, and then calls on other devices, and you turn it on. Okay, but it kept giving me an error message. It says something like, cannot turn calls on other devices. Make sure you're signing on same Apple ID. So I'm like, what the heck? I am signing on the same Apple ID. I tried to sign out and sign back in, but same problem. Okay, until I fumbled through the solution here, guys. So what you need to do is you want to exit out of that setting and then come back to settings, FaceTime. Okay, I already have it activated, but if you haven't, you would see FaceTime, and then you would see probably just one email address here, and then on this option where my Apple ID is, it's going to say something like sign in with an Apple ID, okay, or use an Apple ID, something along those lines. So what you want to do is once you tap on it, it's going to give you different options. So instead of change location, sign out, and cancel, you're going to have sign in with a different device, with a different Apple ID, and cancel. If you hit signing, nothing happens. Normally it should, but still, talking about glitches, I think that's just another glitch. So what you want to do is sign in with another device, with another Apple ID, I'm sorry. So once you hit that, it's going to bring up your Apple ID, and it's going to ask you to put your password. And once you do that, bingo, it will solve the problem. And then you will be able to go back to phone, okay, calls on other devices, and you will be able to activate calls on other devices just fine. Alright guys, I hope this helped and worked for you. If it didn't, leave the comments down below, and we'll work on a resolution together. Alright, peace out.